Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a real quick video, like literally 3 minutes. Quick. I am just putting together this adjustable floor stand for my devices when either I'm doing schoolwork, when I'm videoing, or just want to just not have to, be a little lazy. Okay, so yeah, we got this from Lidl for about $10-15. I tried to look for it on Amazon. The one that they have on Amazon was like 40 bucks. I don't want to give that to y'all. So if you have a Lidl or an Audi near your house, go look and see if they have it. If not, I don't know, y'all. I promise y'all, sometimes some of these things be so much money, but it shouldn't be. It took me like 5 minutes to open the darn box. Don't know why it was so much tape on it. It was like CIA sticky. You could not get it together. So, but let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas, the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. We have a zoo in my house, slew of animals. On this channel, you get cleaning motivation, vlogs, putting things together, whatever I feel like doing at the moment, that's what we're doing. So I really hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. As always, I'm going to go ahead and end it out too. As always, we are the family that love life and having fun and give you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you for spending your precious time with us, because time is oh so precious. Oh so precious. Y'all, I have been through 8 deaths already this year, and I understand God taking home his angels. However, I have been going through a mental scarring, not scarring, but I've been going through. So I'm just like, Lord, give me a break. Give my family a break. All my family a break. We need a break. Like, all these deaths is a lot. And it's not just my family. It's other parts of my life that's going on. And it's a lot, y'all. It's a heck of a lot. And I know I'm talking, and it's fine. It's only a 3-minute video. While I'm talking and putting this thing together, y'all can listen to me talk. So yeah, I really hope that there are no more deaths and we just have another wonderful, just have, I don't know, y'all, I don't know. But hey, so I'm putting this together. I'm talking to my best friend on the phone as always. She was in Texas. She came and surprised me. That was amazing. Yeah, so it's almost done being put together, and I will see y'all. Douglas is my best friend. Y'all know him. He's my best male friend. We what do you mean it's not the same? I love you guys. Y'all be blessed. See y'all in the suit. Peace out, y'all.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroid.